if you guys don't know about Kick, Kick is a new streaming platform that has come out, and dude, I've seen this all over my Twitter. I've seen it all over my TikTok. I've seen it pretty much everywhere that everyone's moving to Kick, this streaming platform that is going to pay streamers 90%. I was about to say 30%. 90% of their sub revenue, and I think that's kind of crazy. No, sorry, not 90. 95% of their sub revenue, which is unheard of in the industry right now. Twitch, get this, Twitch does 50%. 50% of the sub revenue right now. So, like, what, $2.50 of a $5 sub? And, I mean, everyone's freaking out about it in terms of, like, financially. And I don't know, I've kind of just been watching it from a distance, you know. I'm not really making a decision in terms of like, oh, I want to move over to another streaming platform. I want to do this or that. I want to. It's not. There's no decisions being made. I'm just watching it. I think it's interesting. It's very enticing. Definitely financially, if I was doing the same amount that I'm doing now over on Kick, I'd be in a better financial spot. But would I be at the same size? I don't know. Would I be at the same place I'm at now? I don't freaking know. But also, what's the longevity look like? You know, because we've seen platforms come up and go down and just go crazy. But I don't know. I guess that's just me like talking about it, man. Like, I guess, I don't know. But there's one rule that I have, and that's not to make a decision for financial reason on something like that. Because when you tend to do that, the lesser option tends to be the option that pays better. And the option that's not good for you as a brand tends to pay better, which is kind of a funny thing. Because I don't know, I feel like that happened with Mixer for like a lot of big streamers. They like, oh man, I'll go over to Mixer. I'll get paid by Mixer to go over. And then look what happened to Mixer, you know? But I think Kick's different. I really do. I think it's going to be hopefully a competitor with Twitch eventually. Definitely nowhere near that viewership wise right now. Just to be clear, like the viewers are not watching on Kick right now. Like that's just a fact. The viewers are watching on Twitch right now. But it's definitely enticing, you know? I'm excited to see what Twitch is going to do coming up here because Twitch is about to like, they're going to launch some discoverability things. It's kind of the things that they've been pushing like for clips and stuff like that within the next few months or so. So we'll see what happens, man. We'll see what happens. But yeah, I've seen a lot of that. That's been a huge thing that's been going on recently.